Scratchboard is something of a throwback. It was very popular with illustrators in the 1920s, 30s, and 40s, but its roots go back to steel engraving in the 19th century and wood engraving long before that. I'm Scott McKowen. I'm a bit of a Luddite, so it's no surprise that I picked Scratchboard for my illustration career, or scraperboard as they call it in the UK. When you pick up a pen or a pencil to make a drawing on white paper, maybe with some cross-hatching to build up tone, you're drawing shadows. Scratchboard is just exactly the opposite. You start with an all-black surface and you draw white lines all by hand with an X-Acto knife blade. So you're drawing the highlights. Light revealed is a good description of the process. And that's the title of my new book, a 240-page portfolio of my theater posters for plays by Shakespeare, Shaw, and book illustrations for classics by Lewis Carroll, Mark Twain, Jules Verne, Washington Irving, Edgar Allan Poe. The book has a wonderful introduction by theater director and playwright Peter Hinton, and it's available at your local bookshop.